Iceland, a land shaped by volcanic activity and glaciers, offers an unparalleled blend of fiery landscapes and icy wonders, earning its moniker Land of Fire and Ice. This Nordic island nation sits atop the North Atlantic Ridge, where the Eurasian and North American tectonic plates meet, resulting in some of the most geothermal activity in the world. One of Iceland's most iconic natural features is its volcanoes. With around 130 active and dormant volcanic systems, the island has experienced significant eruptions throughout history. The most notorious in recent years, the Age of Geological eruption in 2010, disrupted air travel across Europe. Despite their destructive potential, these volcanoes also create stunning landscapes, including lava fields, craters, and geothermal areas, such as the ones near Vatnajökull, known for their boiling mud pots and steaming vents. Complementing these fiery features are Iceland's glaciers, which cover roughly 11% of the country's surface. The largest, Vatnajökull, lies in the southeast and is Europe's largest glacier by volume. Glacial rivers and lagoons, such as the famous Jökulsárlón, where icebergs break off and float towards the ocean, make for some awe-inspiring sights. These icy formations contrast starkly with the volcanic terrain, creating unique and beautiful scenery. Beyond its natural wonders, Iceland boasts a rich cultural heritage and history. From the Viking settlers who arrived in the 9th century to the thriving modern-day capital, Reykjavik, the country seamlessly blends past and present. Visitors can explore historical sites like Thingvellir National Park, where the Icelandic parliament, the Althing, was founded in 930 AD, offering a glimpse into early Norse governance. Furthermore, Iceland's geothermal activity provides sustainable energy for much of the population. The island's unique geology allows for extensive use of geothermal power, heating homes and greenhouses, and even generating electricity. This commitment to renewable energy highlights Iceland's innovative approach to sustainability. The mesmerizing northern lights, visible during the winter months, are another draw for tourists. These celestial displays of green, pink, and purple light dancing across the night sky are a testament to Iceland's otherworldly beauty. Whether it is the powerful geysers erupting at regular intervals in the geothermal areas, the serene beauty of the Blue Lagoon, or the rugged splendor of the highlands, Iceland offers a diverse array of attractions. In conclusion, Iceland is a land where fire meets ice, creating a destination of unparalleled natural beauty and cultural richness. Each journey through this enchanting island reveals a new wonder, ensuring that visitors leave with memories as vivid and breathtaking as the landscapes themselves.